Yo, what is going on, good people of YouTube? We are here in Denver, and in case you did not see my last video, I came to Denver just to buy a fish from somebody specific. And since I'm here in Denver, I'm doing what I love to do when I travel to a new place, and that is checking out the local aquarium. Now, I've been to this aquarium many times in the past, and I actually filmed a video like early on. Probably one of my first few videos that I ever filmed on YouTube was doing a tour of this place. Now, granted, hopefully I'm a much better YouTuber now than I was then, and hopefully you guys actually enjoy the content a little better than you did then. But we're gonna see, because we're gonna walk around this thing and see what we can see today. Let's just start off right here and look at the native tanks. We got crappie, we got sunfish, we got all kinds of things. Yes, I do like these kinds of tanks, but totally not native because it's fake rock, fake plant. So we're gonna move on to the next set of things that we got going on around here. And oh my gosh, look at that. That is a Texas cichlid. It is the only species of cichlid actually native to the United States. Did you know that? And I may have a video coming up about one of these very soon, so stay tuned for that. Let's go back over here. Oh my gosh. Spotted gar. I don't know what that is. He looks delicious though. Did you see him? He just like swam away when I said that. Hey buddy, you look delicious. Come here. I want to take a bite out of you. I'm kidding, I don't. Is he blind? Is he melanistic? I don't know. Short-nosed gar? It says there's a sturgeon in this tank, but I sure don't see one. Here's a little tiny sturgeon. Look at this dude. He's super cool looking. Another sturgeon in there. There's another one back there. Like there's a few in here. Look at this. Yes. Some river otters. He's got him a golf ball. I love otters. If you don't know, otters are one of my favorite animals, and in fact, if you don't remember, I actually went to Jacob Fetter's house one time and played with some Asian small clawed otters, and they are absolutely amazing. Cool, huh?
Right. I want to swim with them.
How cool is it? Oh my goodness. Absolutely amazing. Look at that dude. So that's Emmett the otter. He's about 11 years old, weighs about 20 pounds, and has been here every time I've ever come to this aquarium, which has been, I've been coming here for many years. I've always loved the Denver Aquarium. Oh my gosh. Do you see that right there? Do you see that? Kind of reminds me of Fanatic. Big head, blubbery. Look at the sturgeon coming up here. There's another sturgeon. There's all kinds of sturgeon in here. Look at that platinum gar. That's insane right there. Absolutely insane. One day, guys, we're gonna have a pond in the house this big. So make sure you hold me to that and stay tuned. Now these are the types of tanks that I like to see at the aquarium. Fully natural planted tank. And look in here, we've got some Java ferns, wisteria, all kinds of great plants, great species of fish here, which are split fin. Crazy cool tank right here. And in fact, if you happen to want any of these plants, make sure you visit freshwaterscrub.com and use the code VLOGMAS for 10% off all your orders. And if you don't, I'm gonna eat your face off because I happen to be a red-bellied piranha and I like to eat. Well, listen, I don't want to see anybody get their face eaten off, so make sure you visit freshwaterscrub.com and use the code VLOGMAS for 10% off all of your purchases at freshwaterscrub.com. This tank is sick. Look at this down here. Huge red-tailed catfish. Look at the size of these pacu. Absolutely amazing. Tiger shovel-nosed catfish. Oh, whoa. Hey, buddy. I think you got something on your lip there. Not sure what that is, but you might want to get that looked at. All the pacu. These pacu are massive. Super cool fish. A one-eyed barramundi. Piebald barramundi, maybe? Not really sure. Look at that gourami. Look at the Asian arowana. Another Asian arowana back there. Oh my gosh, is that a knife fish? That thing is massive. I wish it would come out. This is by far my favorite tank. This right here is absolutely amazing. This is a fully planted tank, and I want to show you a couple of things in here. Number one is Amazon swords. Wisteria. Do you see this wisteria? It has grown all the way to the surface in the jungle val too. We also have some broadleaf Ludwigia in here and some Rotala rotundifolia maybe. Is possibly, yeah, that's probably Rotala rotundifolia. Some more wisteria, but this is an absolute epic planted tank. Guys, you have been talking about for a while me getting rainbow fish, and I could totally see myself getting rainbow fish if this is what the tank looked like. So we may just have to do that, so stay tuned for that. Those are Bala sharks. We have a few Bala sharks in our 300 gallon right now. What in the what? Those things are massive. I think I'm gonna have to grow some of these guys out. Well, this right here, guys, is their tiger enclosure. Yes, they have Bengal tigers. However, they are either not here right now. You know what, maybe they're filming the next episode of Tiger King. I don't know, because I don't see them in here. Or maybe they're resting, who knows? Now we're coming into areas that I have no idea about. A bunch of salt water. Like this thing, I know a couple, I mean like this right here is a giant clam. It looks like there's some zoanthids up there. That's about all I know about anything in this tank, is that's it. And that the water is salty. I do know that lionfish are 100% invasive. Very beautiful fish, but somebody introduced them into the southern waterways of Florida, and now they are killing and eating all of the native fish. Hence the reason you don't ever want to release your aquarium plants or animals into local waterways, because they can quickly become invasive, taking over the natural habitats. This right here is my buddy Johnny. This dude wants to take a bite out of me, I believe. I don't even know what that is. Oh my gosh, guys. So this particular tank right here, the last time I filmed a video here, I was inside of one of these bubbles and I actually caught a shark attacking another fish, eating it. And you know what? This fish right here has no eyeball. Let's go back and watch that clip. Let's get close and personal with this. This little dude's just sitting here hanging out, just chilling. He's like, what are you doing? Don't look at me. Stop looking at me. Oh, that shark is eating one of the fish. That was amazing. I don't think that was a feeder fish either. I think that shark literally just attacked the fish and ate it right in the middle of the aquarium. Yep, he did. That's pretty much what it was. Literally grabbed the fish and ate it right out of the aquarium. Well, if we had more time, guys, I'd let this big thing right here eat my hand, because I can in fact feed it. This is an entire exhibit where you can feed the rays. But unfortunately, I gotta get out of here, guys. So with that, hopefully you went on to enjoy this tour video. I don't do these very often, but because I'm out of town, I figured we'd try something different. But if you are in the Denver area, or you come to Denver for whatever reason, make sure you come check out the Downtown Aquarium in Denver, Colorado. I really happen to enjoy this particular aquarium. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate the support. I appreciate all the things you guys do to support the channel, such as liking the video, commenting, subscribing, all of the above. Make sure you go follow us on Instagram, and of course visit freshwaterscrub.com. Use the code VLOGMAS for 10% off all of your orders at freshwaterscrub.com. All right, guys, with that, we'll see you next time.